Hello, Illuminaries. Whether you're on YouTube or Facebook or wherever you might be seeing this, this is Tam with another download. This time the download happened to happen at home, and I happen to be already ready for another interview that I'm doing with a gentleman in a little while. But it just kind of flowed down like they all do. And this is all about, you guessed it, the law of attraction and our connection to it and how we manifest through it all the time. Whether we do it by ideal, by intention, or by default. So when you think about anything that happens in your life, whether it's something that you don't want, say an addiction shows up, right? Some behavior, some attitude, something that you don't want or that you want to change or get rid of. And if you also think about the excellence in your life, maybe you're excellent at business or at relationships or at achieving goals or whatever. Any aspect of our lives, any area of achievement or lack of achievement, it all depends on the condition of the soil in which that seed lands. Now, by soil, I'm talking about the consecration or the condition of your subconscious mind when that seed, that thought, that idea lands in your subconscious mind. Now, as you know, and you might not know, every type of seed, every type of ideal manifestation, if we compare it to plants, to food plants, trees, grass, whatever it is, that type of plant or that thing that we desire in our lives needs certain conditions or certain nutrients that are already there in place when they land. So, in order for those things to happen in our lives, the things that we want to let go of or the things that we want to manifest, the roots, the germination process, the growth, the flourishment of whatever that is, whether it be prestige, whether it be success of any kind, huge life change, improvement, becoming the best you that you can possibly be, all of that depends on what's already going on in your subconscious mind. Whether your subconscious mind is going to allow it to take root, to manifest, to flourish in your life. So, you might want to stop comparing yourself to other folk. You might want to let go of judgment. You might want to remove the whole idea that maybe it's your fault because you're not trying hard enough to reach a goal. There's more to it than that. If you've put forth effort, even if you've just desired something and you've desired it for a very long time, and it ain't happening, well, you got to know that that soil, that subconscious mind of yours, is lacking something, some vibrational tune, frequency that should be, ideally be, a direct match to the frequency of that which you desire. Does that make sense? So there needs to be a vibrational match already present in that soil of your subconscious mind for this new idea, this goal, this outcome that you want to germinate, to sprout, to develop deep roots and become a part of your life. So, with what I do in Beyond Hypnosis, I help people to work with that already present law, that law that your subconscious mind is connected to, that your subconscious mind is a part of, to help you to consecrate that space so that your field is prepared with the right frequencies so that you can manifest in your world. It sounds really simple, and it really is, but it takes a little bit of knowing. Takes a little bit of know-how, takes some patience, but it also takes the skill. A skill that I will teach you. I will teach you to be able to teach your subconscious mind how to nurture and flourish those ideas, those goals that you want in your life. It's an awesome thing to understand the law and the promise. It's written in Scripture. Pray, believing, and you will have it. That's in Matthew. Speaking the word, and your word cannot return to you void. Yeah, that's speaking about the God that's within you. And that God that's within you is that little piece of God that you were given, you were born with. And that is your ability to think a thought, to feel a feeling, to see and visualize the outcome of something that you want to manifest in the world. All of that is what you're going to use to create. And actually, all of that is what you've been using to create in your world. So if you don't like what you've been creating, it's time to amend that soil, to get some nutrients down in there, to create the space, the environment for your goals, your ideals to flourish. And that's easy. So we can partner together. I can support you. Reach out to me at beyondhypnosis.org. Yep. And continue to watch, continue to learn, listen to the podcasts. You can learn this new skill. It's very, very, very easy. It's as easy as deciding, seeing, believing, and being able to hold the image, the sense, the feeling tone of that desired outcome as if it's already done. So in other words, walk that walk, talk that talk, live and be, believing, something that I call be living it. You want that outcome? Live it, be it, talk about it, do it. Don't worry about what somebody else is going to think about. I believe that anybody, if you're listening to me right now, you already understand that you're going to be responsible for anything that you decide to bring forth in the world. So you are going to consider and make sure that whatever it is that you desire is for the highest good of everybody concerned. You're certainly not going to try to manifest things to intentionally bring anybody else down or take anything from anyone, because you recognize that there is no lack in this universe, multiverse, world, that, as Yeshua told us, that there are many mansions in his Father's house. So, because you've been given the kingdom, you get to choose from the many mansions which one you want to occupy in any given moment. And the beauty of it is if you don't like that one, you can change your mind and you can choose to occupy another mansion. In fact, that's what we do all of our lives. You see, we're never done manifesting. We're always tweaking, improving, growing, and expanding. And that's the total excitement of living, is to bring glory to this beautiful ability to manifest. That your world is that Garden of Eden. That you get to create in it, and you get to demonstrate and create this beautiful garden of life that demonstrates the glory of your Father in heaven, which is right here and right here. So, until next time, I will reach out to you when I have another download. Thanks for watching and listening. Until next time, this is Tam. Peace and blessings.